Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the ANNKE 4K Ultra HD Indoor Security Camera. It's the Creator Reno with 8 megapixel smart 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi network compatible camera with PTZ, night vision, two-way audio, smart human detection, and it works with Alexa. This is either for babies, for pets, for home security, and so on. Marvellous 4K Full HD crisp, equipped with a third processor Scan CMOS chip. The Creator Pro delivers vivid videos with fine details in the resolution of 3840 to 2160. These are 8 megapixels, which not only brings wider vision than 1080p, but 4 times crisp image quality. And with a stable dual band, simple plug and play. The 2.4 GHz or the 5 GHz dual band Wi-Fi connection provides a stable Wi-Fi network signal and helps us free from other signal interferences. This is a true plug-and-play device. Just needs to connect with the Wi-Fi router instead of network cables. That's easy, baby. And we have crystal clear two-way audio with the built-in mic and a speaker. The camera delivers image and transfer voice. Real-time communication is much clearer via the ANNKE Smart app, ANNKE Smart app. We can talk to our family, baby, pet freely anytime and anywhere. And with auto tracking and alert notification push system. This motion detection features looks at anyone on the camera's field of view and follow them. Capture a complete video recording of their activities. Meanwhile, once detected surprising movements and abnormal sounds, we will receive a prompt notification and an alert. And local HDD storage and cloud storage supported. Inspection videos can be stored on a local HDD, that means a micro SD card, or the cloud storage. Both are no risk of being hacked. Also, the built-in SD card slot can maximize up to 128 GB, which is not included. And micro SD cards never miss any funny moments. Oh yeah, and we can make an good security solution with this ANNKE 4K Super Visual Clear even when we zoom in. Creator Reno camera system, PTZ control, two-way audio, push, night vision, smart tracking, AI human detection, AI sound detection, 24/7 recording in 4K Ultra HD. This is nice. We have a 4K vision, higher clarity than any on the market. This allows us to view the detail in the picture more clearly for a higher experience. And higher speed, more stable. The IPC built in more powerful chip technology and can provide the live viewing with a higher wireless transmission speed and more stable connection than the single band, of course. And we have PTZ control. We can pan 350 degrees and tilt 60 degrees and 8 times of digital zoom. We view image from all angles from our mobile phone at any time with up to 8 times digital zoom for all our visuals needs. And AI human tracking, baby. Smart motion tracking is, if you like, enabled. With the advanced AI detected technology, the camera takes notice of anyone in its eyes and follow their activities, recording on a wonderful moments. And we have a smart playback. Locating the past vital clips will be easier for us. We only need to search in a sec without wasting time. And the cloud storage supports up to 128 GB. If we like that. After installation the SD card or opening the cloud storage, we will have access to the 24/7 recording and event recording features. And we get set which recording mode you want to see. and full protective of our privacy. With the app encryption system, we can set complex passwords with numbers, letters, and special characters, strengthening our privacy protection with that. And convenient two-way audio system. With the built-in speaker and the microphone, we can comfort our loved one with the sound of our voice, even if we are not at home. This makes communication clearer and, of course, easier. And, of course, it works with Alexa. We can access this system quickly with the voice commands and receive live feed with 100% hands-free control. We enjoy our personal moments with that. And we have got our security anytime. As soon as we spot any subtle features, such as a potential intruders, our mobile phone can receive a message, and we can use one-touch alert feature to scare the intruder. We can push on the siren, for example, and we can share it with our family members if we like. We plug in the camera. We download the ANNKE app, MYANNKE app, and add this to our smartphone. This can be an iOS device, an Apple device, or an Android device. Then we are enjoy the plug and play and go security. Easy to install anywhere. The product comes with a mounting kit. It can be choose to put it on a table or hang it on the wall. Every installation is simple. We can start our surveillance anywhere and easy peasy with that device here. In the app, there are a lot of features which we can use. We add in the box the camera system, the camera bracket, the power adapter, a USB power cable, and a screw pack. On the camera system, we have a TF card slot and a reset button. If we have an infrared light, lens, and a microphone on the front side, speaker on the rear side, power connector on the bottom side. Then we can set up our camera. We check our Wi-Fi settings. We make sure that our Wi-Fi router is DHCP enabled. The Wi-Fi network encryption is WPA or WPA2. We ensure no special characters or symbols in the Wi-Fi username or a password. We download the ANNKE app and sign in. MYANNKE. We open the app. And then we sign in. Okay, if we do not have an account, we select sign in and create an account for it. This is for free. After this, we can add the camera by pushing Smart Camera Plus. We choose the configure mode. We select our Wi-Fi, and then of course we have to enter the Wi-Fi password. And after this, we can make to give the camera system, which is plugged in, and sound which come out of our smartphone, and this will pair each other or the camera with our Wi-Fi network, and then we can start with it easy peasy, baby. Then we are in and we can navigate through the apps and make a lot of funnable things with it. And of course we can look with the app over the internet, for example, what's going on at home with the ANNKE 4K Ultra HD indoor security camera. This is the greater Reno with an 8 megapixel smart device. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.